Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration I'm going to show you how to install the Zenedit RedmineUP plugin on a Redmine that is installed on Linux operating system. So the very first thing that you have to do is to just download the zip file of the Pro version from your license manager. However, if you do not have a license, you could download the light free version of the plugin. It could be done from our site RedmineUP.com. Here into the plugins section you have to search for Zenedit and then click on download now. Here you have to request the plugin on your email address and it will be sent immediately. Please don't forget to agree with the terms here. Alright, just to note that for both Pro version as well as the light free version, the steps for installation are the same. So, firstly you have to extract the zip file and then enter the inner folder. So we have to copy this one, Redmine/Zenedit. Afterward you have to go to the core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 50. And here you have to find the plugins folder and then paste it in there. Alright, so the next thing is that you have to open your command line and then run bundle install. This will install all the required gems for the plugin you are trying to install. So the next thing is that you have to do the migration. It could be done via the following command. So here the very important thing is that into the name section you have to set the plugin's name you are trying to install. It is Redmine/Zenedit in our case. Please have a note that these are just warnings for developers, so they are not going to harm the work of the plugin or do some errors. Just a warning for developers team. Alright, so we see that our plugin is successfully installed. So the very latest step that we have to do is to touch temporary restart and it will restart our Redmine to finish the installation process. Okay, so we go back to our Redmine and refresh the page. It will take a couple of seconds because restarting Redmine is taking some time. We have seen that our Zenedit plugin has just arrived here. So we are successfully done with the work. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.